Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 150 and friends, today we are going to discuss about a new topic that we will discuss about Vesh Bhusha means dress related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 150. Vesh Bhusha means dress. So friends, those sentences in which we basically mention about the sale and purchase of clothes or what kind of dress or outfits we normally wear when we go out in any party, etc., in office, nearby functions or anything, etc., or whether we are going to a tailor to give our measurements to him. So those sentences in which we normally basically mention about our choice of dresses, that what kind of dresses or what kind of colors do we prefer in them, or what kind of size, etc., do we like to wear on our body. So those sentences are known as dress related sentences. So friends, let's see them with examples. यह कपड़ा 12 रुपए मीटर है. So in English it means this cloth is 12 rupees a or per meter. So friends, this is a present type sentence friends, and it normally happens friends when we go out to purchase any cloth for our shirtings or for our trousers fitting, etc. We normally go out at a garment shop, and normally the shopkeeper tries to show us different kind of pieces of clothes, and he normally says that ये कपड़ा 12 रुपए मीटर है, means this cloth is 12 rupees or a per meter. So he normally informs us or makes us aware about the price of the piece of the cloth. So similarly in this sentence, यह कपड़ा 12 रुपए मीटर है. So in English it means this cloth is 12 rupees a or per meter. So it is a present type sentence friends, and since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the size and the price of a particular piece of cloth, so it is a dress related sentence. यह कपड़ा बहुत गर्म है. So in English it means this cloth is extremely very warm. So friends, this sentence is also a present type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the durability or about the quality of the cloth. So basically he is trying to say यह कपड़ा बहुत गर्म है, means this cloth is extremely very warm. So friends, we normally wear warm clothes in winter seasons, and normally we wear very soft or cotton type clothes in summers. So basically in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the cloth, about his appearance of durability or about his nature of the cloth. So basically यह कपड़ा बहुत गर्म है. So in English it means this cloth is extremely very warm. So it is a present type sentence friends, and it is a dress related sentence. गीले कपड़े ना पहनो. So in English it means don't wear, put on wet clothes. So friends, in this sentence basically the person is requesting or basically giving advice to a particular person कि भाई गीले कपड़े मत पहनो, अभी मौसम या वेदर ठीक नहीं है, गीले कपड़ा पहनना तुम्हारे सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. So गीले कपड़े ना पहनो means don't wear or put on wet clothes. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically ordering or requesting to a particular person that do not wear wet clothes. So गीले कपड़े ना पहनो, don't wear or put on wet clothes. So friends, this is also a dress related sentence, and in this sentence the person is basically requesting or basically giving advice to another person that he should not wear wet clothes. So it is a dress related sentence. मैं कपड़े बदल कर आता हूँ. So in English it means I will come after changing my clothes. So friends, this sentence is basically a future type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically टेलिंग टू अनदर पर्सन कि भाई मेरे करंटली मैंने ये कपड़े पहन रखे हैं, मैं अभी बस थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ, अपने कपड़े चेंज करके आता हूँ. सो मैं कपड़े बदल कर आता हूँ. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स आई विल कम आफ्टर चेंजिंग माई क्लोथ्स. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट नॉर्मली हैपन्स when we return back home from office, etc. So we normally change our clothes. We can't wear office clothes for 24 hours of day. So when we return back home from office, we normally are tired, so we normally go out in the bathroom, etc., to change our clothes. So when we normally go out to the bathroom and we come back in a home wearing clothes, home type clothes like shirts, pajama or soft clothes which are very easy to wear or which are very comfortable. So similarly in this sentence, मैं कपड़े बदल कर आता हूँ means I will come after changing my clothes. So it is a future type sentence friends, and the person is basically telling that I have just returned from anywhere and now I am going to in my home, and now I will come after changing my clothes. So it is a dress related sentence. वह रेशमी साड़ी पहने हुए थी. So in English it means she was wearing clad in a silk sari. So friend, this sentence is basically a past tense related sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the female person कि वह रेशमी साड़ी पहने हुए थी. So in English it means she was wearing clad in a silk sari. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the female person that whom he identified or whom he recognizes in his mind. So basically he's trying to say कि वह रेशमी साड़ी पहने हुए थी means she was wearing clad in a silk sari. So it is a past tense related sentence, and since this sentence is related to wearing of a sari by a female person, so it is a dress related sentence. मेरे कपड़े धोबी के पास गए हैं. So in English it means my clothes have gone to the laundry. So friends, this sentence is also a present perfect type sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically telling to or informing to another person कि मेरे कपड़े धोबी के पास गए हैं. So in English it means my clothes have gone to the laundry. So friends, it normally happens with us also friends. We normally give our clothes to washerman to wash them, and similarly in this, or we normally give our clothes in the laundry etc. So in this sentence also मेरे कपड़े धोबी के पास गए हैं means my clothes have gone to the laundry. So it is a present perfect type sentence friends, and since in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the clothes or amount of clothes he has sent to the laundry, so it is a dress related sentence. वह नीली वर्दी पहने हुए था. So in English it means he was wearing a blue uniform. So friend, this sentence is also a past tense related sentence, because in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about a particular person that who was wearing a blue uniform. So basically he is trying to say वह नीली वर्दी पहने हुए था means he was wearing a blue uniform. So basically it is a past tense related sentence, and friends, in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the color of the uniform which another person was wearing. So वह नीली वर्दी पहने हुए था means he was wearing a blue uniform. So friends, in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the color of the uniform, so it is a dress related sentence. कृपया बरसाती कोट पहनना मत भूलें. So in English it means please don't forget to wear a raincoat. So friends, this sentence is basically a advice giving type sentence or request type sentence also, because in this sentence a senior or a well wisher is basically requesting or giving order to a particular person that the weather is currently very outcast, the rain is coming or it can come anytime, so please do wear the raincoat, because rain can come anytime or it may fall off at any place or any time. So beware, please do wear the raincoat so that you don't get wet. So similarly in this sentence, कृपया बरसाती कोट पहनना मत भूलें. So in this in English it means please don't forget to wear a raincoat. So in this sentence friends, the person is basically reminding to another person or informing him or requesting him to please do wear a raincoat because the weather can turn bad anytime. So it is a dress related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 150, in which I tried to explain you about Veshbhusha means dress related sentences in our English language. Friends, dress related sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life, because friends, when we normally go out for shopping etc., so we normally wear clothes of our choice. Normally we go out to the tailor so that he may make the perfect clothes according to our measurements etc. Or when we go out in a particular garment shop, so we normally try to take a piece of cloth according to our choice, according to our color etc. Or when we go out any party etc., we normally ask or take reference from another person कि what should I wear today, or I have this kind of sari or shirts or pants or jackets etc. So we normally discuss these kind of sentences amongst each other. So friends, these sentences are very important in our day-to-day life. So friends, please keep practicing these sentences daily, and ultimately with the passage of time you will realize that your confidence has boosted up, your personality has groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker. So friends, kindly practice these sentences with your parents, neighbors, relative neighbors, friends etc., and you will find that your confidence has boosted up very much. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would like to request you again that please keep practicing these sentences daily, because these sentences are very normal, very simple and very easy to use in our day-to-day life. So please keep practicing them daily, and ultimately you will find that you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of bigger society or in front of bigger perspective. So friends, thanks for the valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.